Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete a user from a PS4. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is of course have your PS4 on. We're going to be logged in. What we're going to be doing is clicking up on your D-pad or up on your analog stick. And we're going to be coming over all the way to the right here and we're going to be looking for your settings option. Once your settings open, what we're going to be doing is scrolling down here until we see the login settings option. We're going to be selecting this. From this point, we're going to be going all the way down to the bottom of this list and we're going to be clicking and selecting the user management option. From this point, we'll have two options here, either to create a user or delete a user. In this case, we're going to be selecting the delete a user option, and then we will see a list of all currently logged in and installed users on our PlayStation 4. From this point, to delete one, you simply select the one you would like to delete. It says the following user is about to be deleted. From this point, we can either click cancel or click delete and go further into this. Of course, in this case, we're going to be clicking deleting. We will then get this confirmation pop-up to say the user will be deleted. If you delete the user, they'll be unable to use this PS4 to deactivate it as their primary PS4. Are you sure you want to continue? So it is also worth mentioning that if this user currently has this set up as their primary PS4, it is probably best at this point to remove it. You will get this pop-up the first time you try to delete a user. If you would like to activate a new user as the primary PS4 user, you can really easily do this by come down to activate as your primary PS4, and here you can either activate or deactivate. So if you want to double check before you delete the account, simply log in, and if they are the primary PS4 user, you can deactivate their account right now. Otherwise, you can simply continue with the deletion process just to double check so there's no conflicts later on. In my case, it wasn't, so I'm just going to be selecting yes from this point. From this point, we will just get the delete user pop-up saying this user will be deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? From this point, we can simply just select yes to delete the user, and then the user will be removed from the PS4. We will say the user deleted, simply click OK, and just like that, the user has been deleted and removed from your PlayStation 4. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to delete and remove a user from your PlayStation 4. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.